Alex, what are you guys doing?
What are we doing?
We have a video.
Yeah?
It's going to be popular.
It's going to be popular? Is that what you said?
What are we making?
Cupcakes.
Cookies.
You know what, Mommy?
Have you been putting that in? Tell me.
Grandma. Auntie Katie did.
Oh.
These all look awesome, right?
All of them look awesome. You guys are both doing a nice job.
Look what color we're doing them.
What color is it?
Sulfur.
Whoa.
Okay, you're on this one.
That guy's nose is broken.
What happened to him?
He's too busy picking his nose.
Okay, you're on this one. Let's go.
You're pretty lucky that Auntie Katie loves to do stuff like this with you, aren't you?
We're going to bring some rice in this pan.
Are you? That's so nice. All right, say bye.